Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to remove fake followers on Instagram. And in order for us to do that, all we have to do is to launch our Instagram application. And then we are going to tap on our profiles here at the bottom. And then we're going to tap on followers. And as you can see, I don't have enough for your account. You're going to see two options, which is lists interacted with and you don't follow back. And in order for us to remove fake followers on Instagram at once, all you have to do is to tap on the option that says you don't follow back. And in that option, you're going to see a list of people that you don't follow back. And all you have to do is to tap on the remove that is just there at every person who you're going to see, and that's how you will be able to remove fake followers on Instagram at once. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.